morning, you guys. Let's get started. So this is all a review, so you should remember it. I recommend trying it and then using the video only if you get stuck. That way you know if you can actually do it on your own. Make sure you fill out your name, the date, and the cohort you're in. Now this is just called function notation. It's pretty easy. The trick is just remembering how it works. H is just the label of the function, so it tells you which function to plug in. And 2 is the number we're going to replace every single x with. Now we're replacing x because that's what's inside the parentheses here. Let me try to get it to focus one more time. It's a little cleaner. So in order to get your points and to show you understand, you're changing every x to be a 2. I recommend going in and drawing in parentheses around every x. Notice it's inside the power. So the power is outside of it. So I have h of 2. And then whatever was there, I plug in. Then I'm going to use my calculator. I'm just in regular Scratchpad. I'm going to put in everything after the equal sign. This is a label. It's telling me that the y value at 2, or the value of the function h, when x is 2, and we're going to get a number out. You must bring down this label. It is part of your answer. So I'm going to do 3 parentheses 2. I'm going to use, there's a little caret right here. That's how I'm going to get that 3. And then plus 4 parentheses 2 and squared. Oh, I'm still in the power. Can you see how that's all raised? I actually have to go back, arrow over, and now I can do it. $40 is my answer. Try the next one. Again, try pausing the video and trying it on your own, and if you get stuck, use the video. Easy. Don't forget the negative right here. The negative matters. Just to help you understand, this is a point. This would be the point 8, negative 10. This is my x value, this is my y value, my input and my output. Okay. I need to write the point-slope form of the equation of the line. It's important that we know what point-slope form is. Point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Well, notice we're only going to be plugging in for our m, our x1, and our y1. So the first thing I need to do is label this. x1, y1. y minus 1 equals 2 times x minus 1. Now that's a good first step, but if you have 2 negatives, they need to get canceled out. Sorry, alarm telling me to get going. And sorry, that's supposed to be a 1. I'll try that again. 2 negatives right next to each other make a positive because it's basically multiplication. And this would be my answer. x1, y1. y minus 0 equals negative 3 over 7, x minus negative 3. Again, the double negative, and y take away 0 is just y. Hold on, I'm taking a video. Okay, then we're going to solve the story problem. Always total. Alright, we've got Callie and Eugene selling cookies for a fundraiser. They can buy a package of sugar and oatmeal. So here's what I already know some things are. I know some of my labels are getting Callie and Eugene. We're going to have sugar, and we're going to have oatmeal. So it's looking to me, we got to figure out where the labels go. That's the first step. I think it's going to be Callie and Eugene here, sugar and oatmeal here. And the reason I figured that out is because Sally's selling sugar and oatmeal for a total. So if she's selling both of these are adding together to make the total. So then we've got 5 sugar, 11, 2, 12. Eugene sold 10, 1, 67. I'm going to say x, x, y, y, plus, plus, done. Do not forget your equals. Do not forget your pluses. Then you got to remember you're going to go menu 2, 3. Oh, no. 3, 2. 3, 2. And just put in your equation. Menu 3, 2. Press enter. 5x plus 11y equals 212. 10x plus 1y equals 67. I get 5 and 17. So having 5 and 17 is a good first step, but we have to label what it means. So this means sugar cookies is $5 per package, and the oatmeal is going to be $17 per package. I'd rather get Girl Scout cookies, a little spendy. All right, guys, good job.